Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Google Docs to record lecturer on class. You can open Google Chrome, and now you can open your Google Docs by tap this Google Apps and search for Docs. Here, make sure your microphone on your laptop is turned on, is enabled, and click on blank document. And here you can try to use tools, and beside format and extension there is a tools that you can break down by click it. And here we go, there is a voice typing. You can also enable voice typing by the shortcut by hold Ctrl Shift and S. Here we go. This is you have to click to speak. So when your lecturer is speaking, you have to click this and allow while visiting this site. Here, feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.